What's going on, car family? I'm Ben Wayne. Thanks for joining me in another video. Today, I just wanted to hit a short video talking about what I suspect a lot of us have heard by now, and that is Mercedes not providing any V8s to the US market for the model year 2022. So that's a lot of their vehicles, especially the high-level AMG models. Those of you who constantly complain about those 53 models and 43 models, how they're not true AMGs, you guys better start to like them because that's going to be the only option for model year 2022. This is going to impact a lot of their vehicles, such as the E63, the GLC 63, the G550, and the G63. Looking at the G Class real quick, that was hot before this pandemic even came into play. And if you bought one, that was a really great investment for you to make because the G Class, whether it's a 550 or the 63 model, those are going for about 100 to 150 grand over sticker, which is absolutely insane if you think about that. So that's a great investment, and I'm pretty sure the demand is going to go sky high now that they're not available for the 22 model year. So you also have the GLS 580, the GLE 63, GLS 63, and the GLS 600 Maybach. Now, in my opinion, anything with the 600 nomenclature should be a V12, but that's neither here nor there. That's just my opinion. So all those cars are impacted by this supplier issue that Mercedes-Benz says they're having. So I just think that's crazy, and it saddens me to think that I'm going to have to wait 1 year plus to drive a brand new AMG 63 model in a review. This is just really shocking news, and it's going to be interesting how it impacts the AMG market. Specifically, let's say if you already have a 63 model in your garage right now, I'm pretty sure the demand for that just went up. So if you're looking to get rid of that car, a few months from now might be a great time to sell because people are only going to have what is available on the lot right now and the pre-owned models that are available on the lot or people will sell within the next few months to make that profit. So that's just something to consider. Now, all is not lost. You still are getting some V8 models for the 2022 model year, and that's going to be the S580 and then the Maybach counterpart. So that new S-Class, if you've already been on the list for that, that's a really hot car, and that's going to be coming with the V8. And same with the Maybach as well. But with the luxury car market already being what it was and what it now is going to be due to this announcement, you can expect to pay a premium for stuff like that. I've already seen a Maybach hit the showroom floor and already get a $95,000 upcharge because of the exclusivity of the vehicle. So now a lot of people who are V8 fans of Mercedes, they're going to start looking at cars like that do have a V8 available for the 2022 model year, and it's going to be interesting to see how that shakes up things a bit. But overall, that's my thoughts. It is a crazy time to see all this happen, and the car markets, especially with the used car market, those prices have skyrocketed. I have friends who've traded in cars and got more back than when they initially purchased the car. So the used car market is insane. The luxury car segment is insane. And with this announcement from Mercedes-Benz, I think it's really going to shake things up, especially for those who have the G-Wagon. The new G-Wagon was really hot before this announcement. And now that this has came out, don't be surprised if you start to see a $200,000 markup on eBay or something like that for a lightly used G-Class because there's always somebody who has to have a car like that right now. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section. Please let me know your thoughts. I want to hear what you guys think about the announcement Mercedes-Benz made, and how do you think it will impact their market and the desirability for AMGs? Let me know your thoughts. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, I'm Ben Wayne, the automotive reviewer that YouTube deserves.